Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm here with a new app. This app will help you to secure your connection. The app will help you to add an extra layer of security when you are online. So this app is already on Google Play Store, so you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps which can help you to secure your connection, add the extra layer of security when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for DN Tunnel. So you search for that, and among the presented you pick this one, DN Tunnel. So you install this app on your device, and after installing this app you'll be able to set it up. So as we install the app, before you use any VPN, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them, and also please use VPNs responsibly following your local laws. And after that, after installing the app, this is the app name and the icon. You open the app to do some settings. And as we open this app, let me welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. So when you reach in the app interface, you're required to set it up for it to work. First of all, you are required to tap on the 4 buttons in the upper left corner. So from here, you tap on Update Config. Then you give this app a few seconds for it to update its configuration. By doing so, the app will provide you with the latest configured settings. And after doing that, you are required to pick a server where you see auto server. So you tap here. Then among the presented, you can pick from any of the presented servers. So for today's video, I recommend you to pick the auto server option. This is because this app will automatically pick a best working server in your location. So after picking a server of your choice, or you can pick auto, you are required to pick a connection method. So you can tap right here, then you pick the All Country UDP, and just in case it is not working for you, you can pick your country name. You can search for your country name in the search bar, then you pick it. So for today's guide, we are sharing the UDP settings. This is because UDP is super fast and secure when you are online. And after that, so after picking a connection method, just like that, you are required to initiate a super fast and a secure connection by tapping on this connect button. And when you tap on the connect button, the app will be connected within a few seconds. And that's how we set up DN Tunnel with All Country UDP settings to achieve a fast and a secure connection. Please like and subscribe.